Alright y'all, today we are going to be making some poutine. We are heading up to the great north of Canada today. For this we got some potatoes, russets are generally the best. Some butter, I'm using some mozzarella. We got some black pepper, some sea salt, some flour, some beef broth, some oil, and some cornstarch. But before we get to cooking, we are on the road to 1,000 subscribers, so if you want to learn a new recipe every week, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Let's get to cooking. Alright y'all, so the first thing is we need to start with our potatoes. It's up to you. I'm not going to peel mine. You can. They're your fries that we're making. But we're going to slice them into fries. Alright y'all, now we have our potatoes done. I wound up using about a half a pound of potato. I'm not even going to measure this out. I'm just going to sprinkle in some cornstarch. We want enough to get a good coating on our potatoes. This will really help with that crispiness. Now there are a lot of ways to cook your potatoes, right? You could deep fry them, you could air fry them. I don't have an air fryer and I don't feel like frying up the deep fryer today. So, I'm going to oven bake mine. You can cook them however you want. And to help with that crispiness in the oven, you want a good coating of oil on these things as well. And again, so many ways to do your fries. Now I'm going to season mine with just a little bit of Creole seasoning. Completely optional. You can season them however you like. They're your fries at the end of the day. Alright, now what we're going to do, take our baking sheet. Oh, missed one. Get them good and spread out. Now what we're going to do is we're going to bake these at about 375 for about 20 minutes. And then we're going to crank that heat up to 425 and cook them until they're golden brown. Let's go ahead and get these in the oven. Alright y'all, so while our fries go and bake, we're going to start preparing our gravy. I got about a quarter of a cup of cold water. Cold is important here. We're going to take 3 tablespoons of our cornstarch. We're going to stir this until it's well mixed together. Alright y'all, we're going to take a whole stick of butter, or half a cup of butter. Drop that into our saucepan. We're going to put this on a medium-high heat, start melting that butter. Once our butter is mostly melted, we're going to go ahead, take and add in a quarter of a cup of our flour. And we're going to cook this and stir it until it starts to brown. Once that starts to brown, we're going to take 32 ounces of our beef broth. Want to go ahead, get that mixed together. We're going to bring this up to a simmer. Once we come up to a good simmer, we're going to start adding in our cornstarch mixture. It's our thickener. And you might want to only add half, and if you need a thicker gravy, you can add in a little more. Now we're just going to turn this down to a medium-low heat. Salt and pepper to taste. We're going to keep this warm until our fries are ready. Alright y'all, our fries are out of the oven, our gravy is done. We're going to take some of our fries, however many you would like. because this you have to serve hot. Then you want to take a healthy bit of your mozzarella cheese curds right onto your hot fries. And then we're going to take that hot gravy and we're going to smother our fries with that gravy. Hi y'all, and there we have it. We have some poutine. Go ahead, eat this up. Enjoy. Gotta eat it hot. But if you like this video, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button down below. There's a video over here that YouTube thinks you should watch. And until next time, keep on cooking on.